As the generative AI is progressing at neck-breaking pace, at the same time, it seems that now the companies are rising up to the occasion and trying to see what are the risks and how to mitigate them. Not only the companies, but all the top individuals in the field are rising to the same equation. In this video, I'm going to share few of the recent announcements where companies and individuals have warned yet again the world about the impending risks of artificial intelligence and also super general artificial intelligence. For instance, if you look at this OpenAI's initiative, OpenAI has formed a new team to assess catastrophic risks of AI, and that is huge because OpenAI is at the forefront of AI at the moment. So what they have done is they have established a preparedness team and also have rolled out a challenge aiming to enhance the safety measures for advanced AI systems. They have a broader commitment to navigate the complexities and potential risks associated with increasingly capable AI technologies. Now, what this preparedness team is going to do is it is going to evaluate capabilities and also it will be mitigating risks for cutting edge AI models. It is aiming to understand and safeguard against possible catastrophic risks. That catastrophic word has been repeated in this document again and again. They are also developing guidelines to ensure rigorous evaluation, monitoring, and governance of AI models while enhancing safety and alignment. They have also launched an initiative which encourages the identification of potential risk areas with 25,000 US dollars in API credit for the top 10 submission, and that is huge. Also, in another news, Google, Anthropic, Microsoft, and OpenAI have joined hands to make sure that they also contribute to AI safety fund, and they have combinedly they have invested over $10 million into this AI safety fund. The aim of this fund is to advance research in the responsible and safe development of frontier AI models. This initiative signifies a major industry-wide effort to raise safety standards and proactively addressing the challenges posed by advanced AI systems. In another news, there is another initiative which is called as Data Provenance Initiative. In this initiative, MIT, Cohere, and 11 other institutions have introduced this data provenance platform. The goal of this data provenance platform is to address the transparency crisis in AI. As part of this initiative, nearly 2,000 common finds during data sets have been audited with data tagged to original sources, and that is huge. And I'm more than sure more and more companies will be doing that. Also, in this new interview from Ilya, he has warned the world about future of AI. Ilya is OpenAI's co-founder and chief scientist, and now he says that he has shifted his focus to preventing AGI or artificial general intelligence from becoming a threat. Ilya believes that ChatGPT just might be conscious or sentinel, and the world needs to wake up to the true power of technology, which is already here and getting improved day by day. Future is very near where humans will be opting to integrate with machines. It is going to be earth-shattering and monumental as per Ilya. Ilya says that he is going to dedicate his efforts to mitigate risks and fears associated with super intelligent AI. He also foresees a massive change in the world due to AI, which is really very, very visible at the moment. Also, um, he thinks that these huge large models like ChatGPT and others, they will be acting like humans very soon, and humans would have to co-live with them. So the idea here is with all of these interviews and other initiatives that these institutions, companies, especially the governments, they must make sure that this all is going to be governed by the humans and not the other way around. I hope that you um, got something out of this video. If you have any comments or thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.